Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making a modern style logo in Kittl, and we're going to be using a client's brief to help guide us on the logo development process. I will show you where I started with the concepts, and where I ended up for this beautiful clothing brand. So let's first take a look at client's brief. This is the client brief, where my client asked to design. Hello graphic hunters, I'm the owner of Urban Sarah. This is a high-end clothing company. We sell trendy, chic and excellent quality products for our customers. I want to design a logo which is the combination of my company first letter, I mean U and S, and there must be royalty feelings on it, and the tagline is closet. I hope you will give me a good result which will represent my company. Thank you. So let's design the logo according to the brief, but before everyone should know a little bit about Kittl. Kittl is an online web app built to make complex design easier, and empower you to create like a pro. It works right in your browser, it's complete with fonts, illustration library, pre-made templates, and much more without the need for expensive software and hours to learn them. You can try it yourself, and get free access by clicking the link in the description. Now I am in the home page of Kittl. There are various design templates that you can use for your project. But we will not use these design, we will create our own design through this website. For that, you have to first go New Project. After that, you find this artboard where you can easily design your own logo. We can change the background color like that. I take background color black. On the right side, you find lots of option to design your logo. Here is Designs option, where you will find various design templates. You can easily use these templates. Here is Text. There is various type of text that you can use your design. Also here is Elements. You will find here every kinds of elements that you want. Their elements collection is huge. I actually like this. Also you can upload file or photo, and edit it through the website. So friends, let's make a logo for my client. First I take a U shape from elements. There are huge elements, you can choose the best one for you. I take this. Okay, I changed the color for better understand the U shape. This is not actually U shape, but if I rotate it, it will be U. Now I put S letter on this U shape because my client want to make his design with combination of US letter. So go Text option. You can use one of text style among this, but I take normal text. So take add headline. Now I write S letter and make it bigger for perfect on the U shape. There is lots of option to customize the text. Now I change the S letter font. There is lots of fonts, you can use the best one for your design. You can also check which fonts is perfect for your design. I think, that's not look good, I can take sans serif fonts for my design. I think, the Techo fonts is perfect. Now I make the S letter bigger like that. Everything is very easy on this website. If you cannot put your letter perfectly in middle, no tension, there is a good way to perfect it. Select everything, and make it middle align center. Okay, that's perfect. Now I add crown shape on this design, so that this logo looks like loyalty or premium. So go Elements, find your elements. If you don't find your design, don't worry, just search with the element name, and you will easily find it. I think that's crown is good for this design. Okay, I take it. Now change the crown color similar with U-shape. Okay, that's good. Now place the crown on the top of U-shape perfectly so that it will look more good. Okay, I think that's look good. Now write the logo name. I take headlines text and write my client logo name Urban Sarah. Now I change the font and take a lot of fonts. I think that's look good. You can design your logo name from here. There is various transformation and others elements to edit your text. So I think normal text is perfect for this design. Now I add the tagline below name. The tagline is closet. I increase the tagline letter spacing for looking good. I think 500 is perfect. And make the text little bit smaller like that. Okay, friends, I have completed my client's logo for his clothing brand. Now you can easily download from here. You can download various files which you needed. So friends, you can also make or use design templates without any knowledge of Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. So I hope you visit the website and make a beautiful design for you. Thank you.